Good afternoon, everyone. So, on the occasion of World Intellectual Property Day, I'm going to give a session on intellectual property rights. It's about how to protect innovation, how to safeguard our innovation, how to safeguard quality work so that it is not used in an unauthorized manner. So, behind every business, behind every work, behind every quality work, behind every effortless work, there is innovation. There is innovation, and innovation is the lifeblood of business. Without innovation, one cannot create something purely authentic or for the betterment of any particular individual, organization, company, or a society. Innovation lays the foundation of it. So we have to understand intellectual property rights, which is very crucial in order to protect that innovation, which is protecting our ideas and creations. So this presentation will focus on the concepts and strategies, how to safeguard innovation in today's competitive landscape. So what is intellectual property? IP refers to the creations of the mind, such as inventions, literary and artistic works, designs, and symbols. It encompasses patents, copyrights, trademarks, and trade secrets, providing legal protection for original creations. So, intellectual property refers to the different kinds of inventions that could be from scientific or could be medical based or anything under the scientific domain, including literary works such as books, stories, poems, novels written. In any artistic work like a piece of art, a piece of architecture, a piece of model designed, a piece of sculpture, a piece of art, a piece of any photograph, filmmaking, video making, it could be documentary. So to protect that content creation, there are intellectual property specialized to safeguard the ownership. There is copyright to protect such literary and artistic work. Then trademarks, trade secrets. So thus it provides legal protection for original creations. So IP basically sets up a validation certificate, an ownership, a legal ownership, a high quality ownership for the creators so that they can protect their own work and can benefit from it, and also the society can benefit from it legally. Types of intellectual property rights. There are four different types of intellectual property rights. One is patents protect inventions, copyrights safeguard literary and artistic works, trademarks protect brand identity, and trade secrets safeguard valuable business information. So all these four different types of intellectual property will be discussed in the below slides. What is the importance of IP protection? Effective protection of intellectual property rights is essential for fostering innovation and creativity. It incentivizes investment in research and development, promotes economic growth, and ensures fair competition in the marketplace. So, intellectual property helps in the quality representation of an idea. It helps in the proper presentation, proper placement of a product or an invention or a literary creation, any brand, any valuable information in the marketplace or any other different domain. It safeguards it so that its value keeps on increasing and its values remain stagnant without being exploited, thus providing a very healthy place in the marketplace and and there could be economic growth and development to it, so that people could fund, people can innovate that idea into a further into the future, and can innovate some other thing related to that patented work. So it ensures a very good competition and a very authentic competition in the marketplace. Now we come to the different set of IPRs. As you know, that there is a patent, there is copyright, there is trademark, and there is this one, trade secrets. So first is patent protection. Patents grant exclusive rights to inventors, preventing others from making, using, or selling their inventions without permission. Understanding the patent process and timelines is crucial for securing and maintaining patent protection. So patents generally gives exclusive ownership and protection to the owners of the inventions or the creators, so that their inventions are not sold or used in an unauthorized manner or without their permission. So in order to implement patent protection, one must understand the process and the entire timelines crucial for securing and maintaining a patent protection. Copyright protection. Copyrights protect original works of authorship, including literary, dramatic, musical, and artistic creations. As you know, as I said in the previous slide, that copyrights generally deals with the artistic creations. It could be a poem, it could be a book written, it could be a story, it could be a piece of art, model, it could be a drama, it could be a musical, anything, any artistic creations. So in order to maintain the authenticity and maintain the quality of that particular owner's work, copyright protection is extremely needed, so that it is not copied in someone else's work and the authenticity remains. So similarly, we have to understand the scope of copyright protection and the right it confers, which is very much important for the creators and the content producers. Trademark protection. Trademarks are essential for protecting brand identity and distinguishing products or services in the marketplace. So trademarks, like when we go to a marketplace, we look at the brands and we buy something, because brands provide the quality of the product. Brands provide an identification of the particular product, what needs to be bought, what needs to be sold, right? So based on the brand we select, based on the brand we use, it is a significant aspect of a product, of an invention, of an artistic work, right? So without a brand, a product or a thing that is put to the marketplace has no value to it. Otherwise, one wouldn't be able to identify or distinguish what kind of product it is. So it is a very crucial part of it. So trademarks provide that brand protection. So one should understand the process of trademark registration and enforcement, which is very crucial for building and also safeguarding the brand value, so that the brand is not copied to someone else, right? Because if a brand is directly copied, it would mean to the loss of the company. It would lead to the plagiarism of the company, right? So trademark protection safeguards that value of the particular brand. Trade secrets. Trade secrets encompass valuable business information such as formulas, processes, and customer lists that provide a competitive advantage. Understanding the measures for safeguarding trade secrets is critical for protecting proprietary knowledge. So trade secrets, it deals with the informations of a company. Like when a company is going on for a very long time, when a company is working and it has hundreds of employees, every company has its own ethics, own set of information, own set of frameworks, own set of formulas, own set of working architecture, based on which the employees are working, based on which other companies are interacting with that particular company, and it is outsourcing. So those secrets or those informations are not shared, otherwise it would be exploited by any other company. Like a major company won't be selling their ideas, their information, valuable information. It needs to be protected at any cost so that it doesn't lead to the collapse of a company. So trade secrets safeguard those valuable information that is helpful in the successful running of a company or a business. That knowledge needs to be protected. Enforcing IP rights. So, how to enforce IP rights? So, enforcement of IP rights can be done by legal actions like providing infringement of the product that one creates, and it will involve legal action for copying on or unauthorized use, such as lawsuits. One can send a cease and desist letters and some enforcement. So it has the power. So IP provides the power to put up legal actions against the person who has copied unauthorized in an unauthorized manner. So one can bring someone to the court. One can bring an organization or a company to the court for copying or for plagiarizing their content, their authentic content, and saying it to be their own. So IP rights provide that power to the owner, so that one can maintain the ownership of the particular invention, artistic work, trademark, or any trade secrets, so that it is not used unauthorizedly. Global intellectual property landscape. Navigating the global landscape of intellectual property right involves understanding international treaties, agreements, and varying legal frameworks across different jurisdictions. Inventions or developments. Best practices for intellectual property management. Definitely, properly manage IP by some few practices like IP audits, educating employees on the IP rights, that why IP is required and what are the rights of IP, developing a totally clear IP strategy which is aligned with the business objective of the company. So, this management is a very important key in safeguarding innovation, because innovation lays the backbone of a business. Without innovation, one cannot create, or an organization cannot create something for the society or for the benefit to the higher extent, so that it can be used efficiently by globally, like efficiently globally. So IPA provides that capability to owners, so that they can keep the ownership of their own products or inventions. So this is all about IP, intellectual property rights, and IP management. Thank you to all the faculty and students for listening and making this session a successful one. Thank you so much.